Today we are going to talk about portfolio variances. At the end of the lesson, we'll learn definition and importance of portfolio variances and how to measure that for a given investment. Portfolio variance is a measurement of risk that how the aggregate actual return of a set of securities make up a portfolio fluctuation over time. In other words, portfolio variance is a statistical value that assesses the degree of dispersion of the return of a portfolio. It is an important concept in the modern investment theory. The calculation of portfolio variances considered not only the riskiness of individual asset but also the correlation between each pair of assets in the portfolio. Therefore, the statistical variances analyze that how assets within a portfolio tends to move together. A lower correlation between the securities in a portfolio results in a lower portfolio variances. The general rule of portfolio diversification is the selection of assets with a low or negative correlation between each pair. We are going to measure portfolio variances using this formula. Here, for example, we have a portfolio consists of three securities, asset X, Y, and Z. We also have price of the asset, expected return, standard deviation, and correlation between the asset pairs. From the information, we calculate the particular asset weight in the portfolio gives us the asset X is 42%, asset Y is 33%, and asset Z is 25%. Using the formula, portfolio variance is equals to square portfolio weight of X multiplied by square portfolio variance of asset X plus square portfolio weight of asset Y multiplied by square variance of asset Y, and then plus square portfolio weight of asset Z multiplied by square variance of asset Z. Then 2 times weight of asset X and weight of asset Y times standard deviation of asset X and standard deviation of asset Y times correlation between asset pair of X and Y. Similarly, we're putting information of asset Y and Z and asset X and Z in the formula. We get the variance is 0.015843. We get standard deviation of variances by square root of the variance we got equals to 0.12586, which is a rounded off 13%. Thank you.